Suraj, and today we will discuss about the topic the circular flow of income. The circular flow of income is the very first topic or basic topic of class 12 macroeconomics. What do you mean by circular flow of income? It refers to the flow of income across the different sector of the economy in a circular form. By saying circular form, we mean if money is starting to flow from a point, it will come back to the same point across the different sectors of the economy. Before discussing the circular flow of income in different sector, the first thing we need to know that what are the different sectors of the economy. There are four sectors in any economy. First is household. The household sector example, you and me. Second, production. Production sector. By saying production sector, we mean factories, industries, firm. Third, government sector. Government sector. And the fourth and the last one is rest of the world or foreign sector. In this video, we will discuss only the two sector model of circular flow of income. It means that there will be no involvement of government sector and rest of the world in it. And in the next video, we will discuss the three sector model also. But before the discussion of the two sector model, the first thing which we need to understand is that what are the things or what are the factors required for the production of any good. So let's have a look there. The most basic thing the producer need to produce any goods is land. The land is most important thing for the production of any good. Second is labor. We require some persons to produce any good. 3. Capital. We require money. 4. Entrepreneur. These are the 4 factors of production. These are the most important thing required for the production of any good. And in return to this, the producer gives rent for the land, wage to the labor, interest for the capital, and salary to the entrepreneur. So in this way, the production sector gives money to the household sector, and in this way, household sector gives factor of production to the production sector. So these things are required to understand two sector model before the discussion. And now we will discuss the two sector circular flow of income. By saying two sector, we mean household and on the other side firm or production sector. We will see here how money flow from household to firm and firm to household. So let's have a look. Household give factor of production to the firm. We have seen before land in the form of land, labor and capital, and in return to this, firm give factor payment in the form of rent, wage and interest. And after this, the firm give the factor payment. From the same payment, household purchase goods and services of the firm, and firm gives goods and services to the household. Payment of goods and services. So this is the two sector model of circular flow of income. Two sector model of circular flow of income. We can see here household gives factor of production to the firm, and firm gives factor payment to the household, and after that firm produce goods and services and household buy that goods and services and give payment of that factor or payment for the goods and services. So after this we will discuss real flow and money flow of two sector model. By money flow we mean there will be no involvement of goods and services and factor of production. So let's have a look. Money flow. Money flow in two sector model we mean there will be no involvement of goods and services and factor of production. It means that household will give only payment for goods and services, and firm will give factor payment to the household. There will be no involvement of goods and services and factor of production. And after this we will discuss the real flow, or this that is actual flow. Actual flow. In actual flow or real flow, by saying real flow or actual flow we mean that there will be no involvement of money. After removing the involvement of money, household gives factor of production and firm gives goods and services. So this is the actual or real flow. So till now we have learned the circular flow of what is circular flow of income, what are the factor of production, what are factor payments, what are sectors of the economy, what is two sector model of the circular flow of income, what is real flow, what is income flow. So we will stop here, and again after this video we will discuss the three sector model of the economy. So I hope you have you understood the video, and if you like the video, you subscribe it,